So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are back with the market analysis. And first of all, congratulations to all of you, because the thing we have talked about in yesterday's video, the similar thing has happened in the market today. As you can clearly see, a big gap down opening, and then we have seen a complete fall of 1.77% in the Nifty 50 to 63.8 points. Nifty was down by. So I think you are liking our work now. Now you have believe on our research, because we are consistent. I have telling you everything, and the same thing is happening in the market. So I hope all of you are happy now. All of you were able to book good profit. And now let's see what was the things on the closing bell on Sensex. Sensex falls 984 points on bank sell-off. Weak global cues. Nifty snaps 4-day winning run, ends at 14,631. HDFC Twins tank 4% each. Financial and Reliance led the market fall. 26 of 30 Sensex stocks end the day in the red. Index contributors: HDFC Bank, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Reliance and Kotak Bank. Top index gainers: ONGC 3.89%, Sun Pharma 1.46%, DRL 1.2%. Top index losers: HDFC Bank 3.99%, HDFC 3.83%, Kotak Bank 3.46%. S&P BSE oil and gas biggest sectoral gainer, up by 1.31%. BSE S&P BSE finance biggest sectoral loser, down by 2.73%. Volume toppers were Tata Steel, SBI, HCL Tech, ONGC and Bajaj Finance. So these are the things on the closing bell about Sensex. And we have a chart of Nifty 50 daily chart on our screen, and you can see today's candle, a good red candle, as we can see, and the movement towards the support has started. And I have told you to write these rallies, and I hope you guys were able to book the profit. And now the thing is, the more important thing is that what now, what is expectations from the market tomorrow or on the Monday. So first of all, because of the increase in COVID cases, and because of the increase in the some good and some bad news coming regarding the COVID situation, the volatility in the market has definitely gone up. The volatility has increased substantially in the past few weeks, as we can see that whether it's up movement or down movement, the movement is very volatile. We can clearly see that the market is making good highs and good lows, and opening and closing also has major difference between them. So volatility is increased because of all of these things. That's why whenever we are seeing a move in any particular direction, we are seeing a good move, a good swing market is taking. So now the direction is clear. I'm confident that market will go towards this level, this support level. As far as might on Monday, if volatility continues to be what it is right now, then I think the fall will be good on the Monday. Otherwise, we can see a good accumulation, because now we have seen two big red candles, bearish candles. Actually on the charts this looks small, but yeah, these candles are good fall candle. So I'm hoping that on the Monday, a little bit of consolidation or a little bit of gap up, but the destiny is decided. The market will move towards the support zone. Let me show you this on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, as you can see that first two candle, you can see green, then the market has fallen a complete range, as you can see, has fallen for a good amount. And what my expectations are very clear in the upcoming week. My expectations are very clear. The market will fall, but I'm telling you for the just Monday opening that we might see a little bit of consolidation over here, somewhere here. But the destiny is clear. In next week, anyhow, market will touch its support. These are my expectations. This is what I am expecting. But still, you can see this is a range, and I have told you to always write these falls in the market. So I hope all of you were able to book good profit. And these are my expectations. Very clear I am on it, and I have told you very clearly. Till now, everything what I have communicated to all is happening, and now let's see what happens. But I am 80 to 85% confident that in the next week market will touch its support zone, and I am 90% confident that market will take a little bit consolidation on Monday opening, then market will fall. So these are my expectations, very clear. And now let's move to the bank Nifty. Coming to the bank Nifty, also you can see that bank Nifty is very near to its weekly support. As you can see, this weekly support line is between the our hourly and our daily supports and resistance. But yeah, it is there only. And let me show you this on the weekly chart. Let's see how does it looks like on the weekly chart. So if we see on the weekly chart, the weekly candle has been made and the market has received upper side rejections and taken a support near the closing, has taken above the weekly support zone, and but you can see the upper side candles, which means that market has received a lot of rejections on the weekly time frame, as we can see clearly, but the daily candle which was made today is above the weekly support, and it is a red candle. So same expectations as what I have in Nifty 50, that a little bit consolidation, then we can see a good down move. These are my clear expectations. Let's check it out on the hourly chart. Also you can see, and on the hourly chart we have just seen one green candle in the bank Nifty, a straight fall. So yeah, on Monday a little bit of consolidation, then I'm hoping that market will be somewhere here or might be going to, let's see, this is going to be interesting. Anyways, bank Nifty is more volatile, so yeah, it is possible for bank Nifty that Nifty might not fall so much, but bank Nifty might touch this support, and I'm expecting that in the upcoming week the bank Nifty will move towards this support only. So yeah, for Nifty and bank Nifty, both my expectations are very clear and very straightforward, as I have told you. And now let's see who are the gainers and losers in the market. So gainers, ONGC, as you can see, gainers were ONGC, Coal India, Grasim, Device Lab, IOC, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, BPCL, Wipro, Cipla, and Power Grid, SBI Life were some gainers, and the losers list might be little longer than the gainers, as we have seen a red day on the street. HDFC, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. As you can see, the most of the banks are here. Top 4 3 are banks. So banking sector was a hard hit sector today. Financial sector, as we have read about it, Tata Motors were also down, M&M, Adani Ports, TCS, and a lot were down. How were the index performances? Let's check the index performances. As you can see, all in red. Everything is in red. We can see this. Every index is in red. We can see this clearly. Nifty 50 1.77% down, Nifty 100 1.59% down, 1.44% down, 1.34% down, and so on and so on and so on. Everything is in red today. So there's a complete bearish move in the market today, a very strong bearish move in the market we have seen today. Now let's check what happened to the two of our stocks that we have picked for the intraday trading. Let's move to them. And here you can see this is the Eicher Motors, which was the first stock, and we have seen a fall of 1.3%, or let me change it to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, 1.6% was the fall in the Eicher Motors. So I hope everybody, all of you, were able to book good profit, and congratulations for this. It was a successful trade, a good successful trade we had today. IndusInd Bank, a little confusing, because IndusInd Bank's here you can see it's a green candle, which shows that the closing was above, but still the gains were less. We have as you can see, the percentage change here were negative because it is compared to the previous closing. But if you move to the hourly chart of the IndusInd Bank, also you can see there was a bear move in the IndusInd Bank also. It has closed above, but in between market was going down for the IndusInd Bank. So I hope all of you were able to book good profit in this stock also. So both the trades were successful. Eicher Motor, complete success. IndusInd Bank was a success. In between, momentum was of downside, but somehow it has somewhere in the market, bulls were able to make the prices accept above the opening. So a green candle was made, but I think all of you smart ones were able to book the good profit. So was a successful day for all of us. Nifty, bank Nifty, Eicher Motors, and IndusInd Bank, all these four trades that we have talked about yesterday, all we have seen gains in all of those. So I hope you are liking our work, friends, and we are very clear and have communicated to you what are our expectations for the Nifty and the bank Nifty of the upcoming week and on the Monday. So please do listen the video and trade accordingly. Happy trading, everyone. So please do like the video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon to receive the notification about the latest videos. Thank you so much.